Have you ever heard of the time when McDonald's International filed a lawsuit against McDonald's Jamaica? In the mid-1990s, a legal battle erupted in Jamaica that echoed broader global tensions between local businesses and multinational corporations. This was dubbed the McDonald's War of Jamaica, a court battle between the American fast food giant McDonald's Corporation and a local Jamaican restaurant also named McDonald's. Like the video and let's proceed.
I'm looking at a letterhead with the name McDonald's on it. You care to explain?
It was confusing. People didn't even know it had anything to do with McDonald's.
What's confusing is you calling yourself the McDonald's Corporation.
The rise of Jamaican McDonald's. The story begins in 1971 when a local company, McDonald's Corporation Limited, which I will refer to here as the Jamaican McDonald's, was established by Jamaican entrepreneur Vincent Chang. Located at 1 Cargill Avenue in Kingston, this small restaurant initially struggled but soon found its footing by offering a unique blend of traditional Jamaican dishes and fast food. Menu items included jerk chicken, curried goat, and other local favorites, alongside more conventional fast food items. This combination of local flavors and quick service appealed to a broad customer base, allowing the Jamaican McDonald's to build a loyal following. Over the years, it became a beloved institution in Kingston, known for its community-centric approach and contributions to local culture and cuisine. Later, Vincent Chang would also go on to establish the famous Tasty restaurant, which became well known for its Jamaican patties. The arrival of American McDonald's. In 1994, the American McDonald's Corporation, with its pervasive golden arches, announced its intentions to expand into the Jamaican market. This move was part of a broader strategy to penetrate new markets in the Caribbean. By September 1995, the first American McDonald's restaurant opened in Montego Bay, a popular tourist destination. The American McDonald's brought with it the promise of standardized menus, a consistent dining experience, and the global appeal of its brand. The opening was a major event, marked by extensive marketing campaigns and promotions aimed at attracting both locals and tourists. The American McDonald's saw Jamaica as a lucrative market due to its growing tourism industry and the increasing popularity of Western fast food. The legal battle begins. The clash was inevitable. A month after opening its Montego Bay location, the American McDonald's served a statement of claim on the Jamaican McDonald's, seeking an injunction to prevent them from operating under the name McDonald's. The American company argued that their international recognition and food quality would be undermined by the continued operation of the local restaurant under the same name. Them bright though. The Jamaican company countered with its own legal action in October 1995, seeking to bar the American McDonald's from operating any restaurants in Kingston under the same name. They argued that their prior use of the name and established presence in the community gave them the right to continue their operations. The legal filings were detailed and complex, with each side presenting evidence and arguments to support their claims. The Internet's role. By the mid-1990s, the Internet was becoming a more accessible tool for research and communication, although it was not as widespread as it would become in the 2000s. The Jamaican McDonald's defense team, led by the prominent law firm Myers, Fletcher and Gordon, utilized information from the ongoing McLibel trial in the UK, which was accessible by way of the Internet. The McLibel trial involved two activists who were sued by McDonald's for distributing pamphlets critical of the company's practices. The trial generated extensive documentation about McDonald's operations worldwide, including allegations of food safety issues and unethical practices. The Jamaican lawyers presented evidence from the trial, such as testimonies from food poisoning incidents and improper cooking practices at American McDonald's outlets. The Jamaican Supreme Court's acceptance of this internet-sourced information marked a landmark moment, underscoring the growing influence of digital information in legal proceedings. Preliminary rulings and developments. On April 15, 1997, the parties returned to court. In a preliminary ruling, Mr. Justice Chester Orr, senior judge, sided with the local McDonald's. He banned the American McDonald's from opening any additional restaurants in Kingston until the full legal action was complete, likely to stretch into 1998 or beyond. This ruling effectively put the American McDonald's expansion plans on hold, with the Montego Bay location being their sole operational restaurant on the island. The legal battle was characterized by a series of intense exchanges and strategic maneuvers by both parties. The American company contended that the local McDonald's had resurrected its operations, deliberately to pass itself off as an affiliate following the announcement of the American company's expansion plans. In contrast, the local McDonald's maintained that they had a continuous and legitimate presence in Jamaica since 1971, and that the American company's entry into the market would infringe on their established goodwill. The outcome and implications. The case set the stage for a prolonged legal battle, mirroring the drawn-out nature of the McLiber trial. Both sides prepared for a protracted fight, with numerous legal maneuvers and court appearances. Ultimately, the Jamaican courts ruled in favor of the local McDonald's, allowing them to continue to use the name. The American McDonald's was permitted to operate in Jamaica, but had to coexist with the local restaurant. This ruling was seen as a victory for the Jamaican company and a significant precedent in trademark disputes involving multinational corporations. So this David versus Goliath story in Jamaica highlights the challenges local businesses face when confronted by multinational corporations. It raises important questions about market entry strategies, brand identity, and the power dynamics in global commerce. The McDonald's Wars of Jamaica serve as a reminder of the resilience of local enterprises and evolving landscape of international business law. The outcome demonstrated that local businesses could stand their ground against global giants, emphasizing the importance of legal frameworks that protect the rights and interests of indigenous companies. If you found this video interesting or informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet heard about this case, let me know in the comment down below. If you heard about it before, let me know also. If you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so, or just do it right now by clicking that subscribe button. Until we meet here again on Elite Jamaica, stay blessed. Thank you for watching.